My name is Hamsha. Today we're going to learn how to create a drop-down. Before we learn how to make it, right, I already made it, so I'm going to explain the code.
Hi.
Okay, and say hi to my brother. Say it louder. Okay, guys. And for you can leave now. Go. Leave.
No.
Okay, anyways, how do we create a drop-down? So here, import dropdown, then create the window. You know this. This is easy for you, right? For the ones that already watched my video. For the ones that didn't, you can just search for GUI or something. I don't know. But for the ones that watch my video, you know the basics. It's easy for you, right? For the ones that watch my video already, you know what this is, right? String form, string variable. Select option dot set selected option. That's what's our drop down gonna be. First of all, it's a drop down. I'll show you. Okay? This is how a drop down looks like. The drop down. Nope, I did not want that. What do you do here? Great. How do you say it? I need like drop down. Just drop down. Yeah. So see over here, this is what a drop down is. Okay, reject. So if you, oh my, oh sorry. What I did. Yeah. So this is what a drop down looks like, as you guys can see here. Okay, so that's what a drop down is. Then for the function, we'll get into that later. So options, Python, Java, HTML, CSS, right? But you can create any other variables. Dropdown equals a TK dot option menu. You not dropdown. There's a name for it. Option menu. Window. Because if you don't write window, right, it will show error. So window, comma, selected option, start options. I'll tell you the start later. What the star does, it makes like how do you say that? Instead of making just a straight line, it puts in like categories, like one's on the top and others on the bottom, like that. It's like rows. Then drop down dot pad y is 10. Give the pad y for it. Submit button, right button. Oh my god, sorry guys for BTN. Okay, so that has to be button. Yeah, it's better. Source selection command equals to source selection dot pad y equals to 10. Okay, so now if we go to the function source selection, which we did over here, where's that? Yeah, source selection is just from line 10 to line 13. From here. Define source selection, value equals to selection option dot get. For the ones that watch my videos already, you guys already know what this is. Print value. Okay, it's gonna print in the console. Okay, it's not gonna show a message box. If I show you the example, refresh this. Yeah. So this is how a drop down looks like. Press Python, source selection. See, Python is printing over here. You can relate this because this is like a file handler, you know? Java source selections, Java's over here, right? It's showing all the data basically. See? That's what that's how a drop down looks like, okay? So thank everyone for listening about how to make a drop down. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and bye.